Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an investment website. So basically this is a power bank investment website. By using this script you can create your own power bank investment website within just 5 minutes. So in this video I will give you the complete demo of this video and I will show you how it works and how you can control this website from admin panel. So website is completely controllable from admin panel. And viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us on WhatsApp to buy this source code. And if you need any type of website such as investment, Hype investment, PTC, order grabbing, e-commerce, all type of websites are available. You can contact us and we will build that site for you. So now let's start this video. And first of all, you can see that I'm on my login page. So I already have an account, so I'm not gonna register again. So if you don't have an account, you can register on this website. Now I already have an account, so I will log in with my existing details. So here I have to enter my password. I have already entered my phone number. So now just click on log into account and it will log you into your user panel of this website. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel, and here you can see different banners out there. You can change them from admin panel. Here you can see a line and you can also change this text as well. So viewers, basically this is a spin wheel and solar panel investment website. So you can create as many as plans you want from admin panel. Here you can see that this is a gift code. You can set this from admin. Here is check-in option, so you can check in directly and earn your rewards from here. So viewers, here you can see there is also an option of spin wheel, so you can earn money by spinning wheel as well. So I'm just clicking on spin wheel, and here you can see that there is option to spin wheel, and you can spin wheel and earn money also from spin wheel. So this is how you can spin wheel and earn money as well. So I am just closing it, and here you can see your total deposit, total investment, total bonuses, all your reward related activities are here. And here you can see your logo, and you can update this logo from admin panel. Here you can insert video related to your business or investment company. So this is the user panel, and here you can see there is an option to download our Google app as well. And this is the notification section. So viewers, here you can see by going to investment, so you can see all the investment plans on your website, and user can invest in different plans from here. So from here user can select plan and invest in different plans from this section. So this is how user can invest in the plan. So there is a team option, so user can also earn money through referrals. So user can refer different people and earn money through referrals as well. So this is how user can earn money through referrals. This is a profile section, so you can see your total balance, total profits, total your number, total your ID, deposit. You can withdraw money, so from here you can deposit money. So here you have to enter your ID, the amount you want to deposit, and here you have to select the screenshot, and you can easily check out money using any of the gateway. And you can insert gateway from admin panel. Here is a withdrawal option, so you can easily withdraw money using any of the gateway. So currently the site is completely newly created, but you can create withdrawal methods from admin panel, and here you can see all your withdraw money records as well. So here is a wallet exchange option, so you can exchange your wallet from one account to another. Here deposit note, so you can see all your deposit activities right here. Here you can see all your operations right here in this section. So you're in a subscription to investment plans. Here you can add your wallet and you can reset your password from this section, and this is a logout option. So viewers, now let's log into admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So this was the amazing user panel of this website, so that I gave you a quick review of this user panels. And here you can see also you can insert live chats on your website, telegram chat, your channel link, etc. from here. So now let's go to our admin panel login page and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that I am on my admin login page. So here I have to enter my admin email and password in order to log in as an admin. So I will enter my admin details here. So let me just enter my admin details, and here I will enter my password. And when I click on login, admin login, it will log me into my admin panel. So here you can see that I am successfully logged into my admin panel of this website. So it has a very amazing admin panel, and here you can completely see withdrawal request, deposit request, total users on the website, active users, total investment, deposits, everything you can see right here related to website, graphs, users, everything is in front of you. So here you can directly visit your site. Admin can change its profile settings, change passwords of admin panel from here. And here let's see some other options. Here is bonus manager, so you can completely manage the bonus of spin wheel and other investments from here. So you can manage all the bonuses directly from here. It will be completely under your hand. Here when we go to all customers, so you can see all your customers on your website. So if you want to edit them, you can edit them as well. You can add balances to their account, you can verify their accounts, KYC, you can see their earnings, you can see their referrals, you can view all their details, and here you can also change their passwords as well. So completely everything will be under your hand, so you can completely control the website. And here if you want to send them emails, so you can also send them emails. So this is easy, completely easy to use and manageable website. Here you can see active customer, disabled customer, you can send them emails. You can manage the KYC from here, you can manage the pending KYC, rejected KYC, everything is here and you can manage it. So here you can create different role for managing this website. You can manage you can create super admin, manager, editor for your website. Just click on add new role and you can create a new role for your workers. Here you can manage the staff of your website, so you can make staff to control your website. Here you can see there is a manage schema option. So from here you can create as many as plans you want. So you can see that currently there are 6 different plans on our website, but if you want to create a new plan, so you can easily create a new plan from here. So you just have to click on add new, and by filling these simple details you can add a new plan on your website. So it's completely simple. If you don't even know the basics of IT or web development, easily you can control this website. You don't need any coding knowledge or IT background to make this kind of site. So you can easily make this site. Here admin can see total transaction, investment, user profits. Here you can see there is a deposit gateway, so there will be many automatic payment gateways that you can use. So these are all the automatic payment gateways, and if you want to create your own manual gateway, you can create your own manual gateway as well. So just click on add new and you can add a manual gateway from here. So here you can see your pending deposit, you can approve deposit requests of user. Here is a withdrawal option, you can approve or reject the withdrawal requests of users. Here you can manage the referrals and you can create as many as referral number of referrals you want from here. You can set user ranking. Here is landing page settings, so you can completely manage your home page of user panel of this website. You can completely manage it from here. Here you can manage the page setting, and all the other page settings are here, so you can manage them from here. So if you want to edit any page or change any details, you can change them. You can navigate site, you can change footer contents. This is the settings. So let's go to site settings. So from here you can change the logo of this website, you can insert your own logo, you can change the currency of website, base levels of the website, name of website, you can change it from here, and you can insert your own business name. You can turn on off email verification, and all these settings are here. You can completely manage your website directly from here. So everything will be under your hand and you can completely manage and control your website from admin panel. So viewers, here you can manage the language settings. You can insert any of your local language from here, email template, all subscriber, and everything you can manage this from here. So in this video I gave you a complete review of this website. Now if you want to buy this source code from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this script from us, and we also provide you complete support. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.